Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and hey, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, this is one of my favorite apartments in all of Dallas. This is the 23. It's a beautiful high-rise, and it's in the Victory Park area. I've filmed this before. It's a gorgeous place. I can't stay away from this place, to be honest. It's just a beautiful place, and it's surrounded by a lot of fantastic stuff, too. This is the Victory Park area. Victory Park is where the Mavericks, Dallas Mavericks play, the Dallas Stars play, concerts, but there's also a ton of restaurants and shops. And by the way, the restaurants and shops are literally in the back of the building. That's where they all start. It's an incredible location. Another thing I love about the 23 is the stuff that's the concerts and the louder, busier stuff is actually about 10 minutes walking away. So you can still walk to it, but you're just not right next to it. So it's kind of a quieter experience, but you're still in Victory Park. So anyway, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna retour, we're gonna film with our higher quality camera that we have. I think you're gonna like the footage. And we're gonna see, I think perhaps a couple of new things that we've never seen that are floor plans. And so I want you to just stay tuned. We're gonna put this all on a playlist, and it's all in our 23 playlist, and you're gonna love it. So just watch them all. You can also, of course, skip around, but you do not wanna miss this. It's just a really pretty, beautiful apartment. It's in Victory Park. It's close to Uptown. It's almost right next to it. It's close to downtown. Just a fantastic location. If you have questions at any time, that's my number below. You can text me. I've been doing this for so many years. I know everything in and out, and I love talking to my clients. Just text me below. Can't wait to help you find your perfect place here in Dallas. Hey, I'm gonna walk around a little bit more so you can just see the area, and let's go do that right now and explore a little bit around the area in the next video.